Creating outline text in Canva is a great way to make your designs more interesting. Whether you are working on a flyer, a social media post, or a presentation, outline text can help important words stand out. The good news is that Canva makes it simple. Let's walk you through the steps together. First, start by adding text to your Canva design. Open your project and click on the text option on the left sidebar. You can choose a pre-designed text style or create your own by clicking Add a heading, subheading, or body text. When you have a text, choose a font that suits your designs. You can pick a bold font for a strong impact or something sleek for a modern feel. Canva offers a wide variety, so take a moment to browse and find the right fit. And now it's time to create the outline text. Canva has a feature called Hello that lets you create outline text with just a few clicks. So first, highlight your text by clicking on it. Then, in the top bar, click on the effect. And from this list of all effects, find and click on Hello. Once you apply Hello, the fill of the letters will disappear, leaving only the outline visible. The good about this feature is that you are not stuck with one thickness. For the outline, you can customize it. So, after applying the halo effect, you will see slider for thickness. Drag the slider to the left for thinner lines or to the right for thicker ones. Experiment with thickness to find what works best for your design. Here is where you can get creative. After you've set the outline thickness, click on the color palette at the top. Pick a color for the outline. Canva gives you a wide range of color options, or you can input a specific color code if you have one. This step is perfect for matching your outline text to your brand colors or making it stand out in a design. Outlining text in Canva is that easy. In just a few steps, you can add a professional touch to your design. The best is that you don't need to be a design expert to do it. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want, like the video or leave a comment and I will try to reply.